Have you ever been bored with your friends or been at a really boring party and want to bring more energy? Well, let me introduce you to Pop Up Sports Drone Service. It is an app that I made that you download on your cell phone. With this app, you can send a drone with sporting equipment to your exact location. How does it work, you might ask? Well, when you open up the app, you will immediately see all the different sporting equipments you can get. You can select anything from a dumbbell to a basketball. After you select what equipment you want, there will be a screen that pops up saying your equipment is on the way. Based on how much equipment you order, it can take anywhere from 5 to 20 minutes. Once you are done with your equipment, all you have to do is open up the app and call your drone and it will come pick it up. Some may ask how much this insane membership costs. This is the best part. The membership only costs $10 a month. Alongside this, the average gym membership costs $58 a month, and you can get everything from this membership you would get at a normal gym and more. Alongside these amazing prices, 25% of our earnings go straight to local youth sports, meaning using our membership is also helping your community. Here at Pop Up Sports Drone Service, we aren't just having fun, we're building a community.